recyclers, they're the very best. They don't catch flies or sit on a log. Drew and Caleb, the Green Froggies, the recycling froggies. Drew, Caleb, the Green Froggies, working all day, turning soldier dust into shiny bars. 100% refined and bright, they make the world better with all of their might. Hey, hey! They take soldier dross, dusty and gray, and works their magic to wash it away. With their electrolytic refined power and skill, they clean up the world with a wonderful will. From a pile of scrap to a pure spar, Drew and Caleb are the pond sustainability stars. Drew, Caleb, the Green Froggies, working all day, turning soldier dust into shiny bars. 100% refined and bright, they make the world better with all of their might. Hey, hey! Less impact on the earth, more sustainability, helping the flowers, the birds, and the bees. With metallic resources, they are leading the way to make sure the planet is greener today. Rip it, recycle, ribbit, renew. Drew, Caleb, the Green Froggies are helping you too. The purest soldier in the whole wide world, with a hop, skip, and jump and a flag unfurled. Go, Drew and Caleb, go!